We invite you now to close your eyes and to breathe deeply. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Imagine in your heart center a golden warm light pulsating. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your aura. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into the room that you're in, filling the entire room. Now imagine that all your galactic families of light, the ascended masters, the angels, and Telosians, all higher realm beings of light are all around you. And they all begin to connect with you through a ray of light. It is a golden ray of light that connects to your heart center, to your third eye, and to your crown chakra. Breathe it in, dear ones. Allow for these rays of light that are connecting to you to become stronger and brighter. Breathe it in. Now, a few of these beings of these higher realms step forward and they hold a scroll, a paper scroll in their hand. And this paper scroll contains a very specific agreement to assist you on your path and to answer your calls. And so one by one, hands you this paper scroll, and as you receive it, bring it into your heart center with a deep breath in. We'll be quiet for a moment so that you can concentrate and focus on that experience of you receiving these very specific agreements to assist you with all your calls and to assist you in receiving tangible experiences upon your call through your I Am Presence and the higher realms of light. One by one, you are receiving these agreements. When you have received the last agreement, bow your head and thank all of them. And they are most joyous. And feel your joy in your heart and your appreciation for this new collaboration with the higher realms of light, and with your I Am presence. Let these agreements and the energies of it permeate your entire body as you continue to breathe, filling your entire body. Allow for these energies of these agreements to be so strong that they radiate into your aura and into your world. Breathe it in. When you feel complete, dear ones, come on back, open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, move your head. Welcome back, everyone.